Hi everyone, today we are going to walk you through how to link your mastering course to your Canvas course. So we're going to start off in your Canvas course and we're going to scroll down to the settings tab and then we'll head into navigation and we'll scroll all the way down and we'll look for the MyLab and mastering link. Don't mind the Pearson or Pearson Access link, those are for a different product. Now we'll click and we'll drag it up so it is visible. I recommend putting it somewhere near the assignments. That way students know that they'll be using MyLab and Mastering for their assignments. And now you'll click Save. And from here, the link is now visible. We'll go ahead and click into there. And then click the yellow Get Started button. And from here, this is where you'll choose how you want to copy your course. Because I've already created my course in mastering, I have a course ID that I can go ahead and enter. So to find the course ID, you'll go back to your courses. This is the course I want to be copying, so I'll go into details. We see here, this is my course ID. I'll just copy that. Paste it here and search. We'll see this is the correct course. We'll select it. And from here, we just have a few more questions. So make sure it's on student use course. This is where your students will be registering. We'll give it a course name. Some professors like to add the section number. It's completely up to you. For course dates, I'm just going to do any random dates for the demo today. And assignment dates, I already created the assignment dates in mastering, so I'm going to go ahead and select copy exact dates. If you didn't toggle with the dates in mastering yet, you can do don't copy assignment dates, or if by chance you're copying a course from a previous semester, you can adjust dates based on the first assignment date and pick the first assignment date here. And then go ahead and click create course. And it'll just take like 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll go back into MyLab and mastering and we'll refresh the page and it'll show up from there. After a couple of minutes, you want to refresh your Canvas page to then see the Open MyLab and Mastering button rather than the Get Started button. If we click it, you'll see it brings you directly to your course. So now that your course is linked, you can access it directly from Canvas without having to go externally to Pearson's website. Now what you'll want to do is enable grade sync. We'll go back to Canvas and we'll click the button that says grade sync. We'll click automatic grade sync on, or we'll select our assignments first. We'll go ahead and select all assignments and then we'll do sync grades now. Just to note, this will also take a few minutes to load. So if you notice the Open MyLab and Mastering button show up first, but the grade sync doesn't load yet, just give it a few more minutes and it'll show. But so from here, you'll see all your assignments and they have synced and they'll now show up in the assignments tab and in the gradebook tab for both you and your students. And that's everything. I do want to note, if you are ever making changes to your assignments or due dates, please do them in mastering because then they will auto sync to Canvas. If you do them in Canvas, you'll also have to do them in mastering after. So doing them in mastering will save you some time. I hope this helps.